mechanical energy is being converted to electrical energy.
My name is Kara Conway, and I am the elementary instructional specialist for the district. And we're here. Siemens Corporation donated the wind energy kits for students, and so we're here presenting to them, watching them investigate and learn about wind energy and the importance of renewable energy in this day and age.
So what we had to do is we had to connect the generator to the windmill or the turbine. And what we had to figure out was how could we use the fan to produce energy to make the turbine work.
Notice that each time we move a feet further from it stops and
It starts to slow down.
It starts to slow down, and then if you're far away, if like you're blocking the air to go to the windmill, the light turns on.
The objective today is just for them to investigate how mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy using the renewable resource of wind energy, and how that can in turn, on a larger scale, power homes and businesses in the community.
They're supposed to get the same amount of energy because they're the same fan. But these two are a little further. So I'm pretty sure they have to be very close to get energy. But since this one's in the middle, it gets more energy because it's directly in the middle.
Right now this is offered to our 5 STEM Academies. Yes, so next week a company representative will be here to observe in action where their community efforts are going. So partnering with the community and I guess raising or educating future engineers that will stay here in this area. Yeah.